Case studies, supporting a CanadaGAP certified produce repacker with audit preparation. Hi everyone, today, we like to share how we help our CanadaGAP clients prepare for their audits. The situation. A busy manager leads a fresh produce repacking facility with CanadaGAP certification that is also working on business development. Its personnel was partially trained with CanadaGAP requirements. While the facility was committed to maintaining food safety and certification standards, the complexity of record-keeping and audit requirements stretched the capacity of the existing team. The facility needed support to ensure compliance and smooth audit preparation without detracting from business development and other core tasks. Food safety challenges. The facility's primary challenges were limited qualified staff. The existing team had a basic understanding of CanadaGAP requirements. Audit preparation. Preparing for annual audits requires significant effort and time, diverting attention from other important business activities. Maintaining compliance. The facility must ensure ongoing compliance with CanadaGAP standards despite staff shortages and limited knowledge. The solution. To address these challenges, Felicia and her team provided comprehensive support to the facility. The approach included document review and guidance. Felicia worked with the client to review their current documentation and identify areas for improvement. She guided the on-site staff on proper record keeping and helped them set up a monthly review process to ensure consistency. Audit preparation. Felicia's team took charge of preparing for the annual CanadaGAP audit. They updated the food safety plans, reviewed all records for compliance, and conducted mock audits to identify any potential issues. Staff training and support. To address the lack of qualified staff, Felicia offered basic training to key personnel, ensuring they understood the requirements and knew how to maintain accurate records. The result. With Felicia's support, the facility was able to streamline its record-keeping processes and prepare for the annual CanadaGAP audit with minimal stress. The key outcomes were simplified record-keeping. The monthly document review process helped the facility maintain accurate records without overwhelming the staff. Smooth audit preparation. The facility was well prepared for the annual audit, requiring minimal effort from the in-house team, allowing them to focus on business development and operations. Successful CanadaGAP audit. The audit was completed successfully, with the facility retaining its CanadaGAP certification without any significant issues. Contact us at 1-236-513-2488 and get your next audit supported by experts from SFPM Consulting. We can help you assess your challenges and develop step-by-step solutions to help you resolve them. We helped numerous small and medium businesses pass their initial and recertification audits. A recertification audit can be harder than the first audit. But if you have us with you, things become easier. We want to make it easier for you and your team.